This ERA Parrish Realty Legacy Group property video is presented by Karen Hocutt. Location is key. Established neighborhood just off major highway. Corner lot with mature landscaping and great shade. Ranch plan with enough room to spread out. Open concept. Laundry room with counter space and cabinets. Come sit a spell on the large front porch or unwind on the screened porch. Storage building, fenced yard, large concrete driveway. You will not want to miss this one. Offer deadline is 11 a.m. on Sunday. Sellers will make a decision Sunday evening. For more information, review the details below.